thunder and lightning. We want to have 2 loops. So to get our second loop, we take our right palm, rest the string on it, turn it clockwise. Now we have 2 loops. Take the index finger of my left hand and put it in the upper loop, and the thumb in my left hand in the lower loop. We're halfway there. Now take the index finger of my right hand, put it in the upper loop, and the thumb of my right hand in the lower loop. So we now have 2 index fingers in the top loop, 2 thumbs in the bottom loop. Now we point the thumbs up and pull them toward me. Now I separate, and now we're going to take our thumbs and pass them over the near index finger string and under the far index finger string and bring the thumbs back. Now we're going to do a weaving motion starting with the middle fingers. So we take the middle fingers and pass them over the nearest string to them and pass over that and then under the next string. Now we're going to do that again with the ring fingers, over the closest string, under the next string. And then we're going to do that with the baby fingers, over the closest string, under the next string. Alright, now we bring the hands together and we stick our thumbs into the baby finger string loops, pushing down on the bottom of those baby finger strings. So right now we have these 2 hanging loops, which are our thunderclouds, and I'm going to flip them around toward me, up and then down, and at the same time pushing down with my thumbs on that baby finger string. And that is our lightning.